Growing your YouTube channel to reach 1,000 subscribers and 40,000 watch hours in just 1 month can be a challenging goal. However, here are some tips to help you increase your chances of achieving it. 1. High-quality content. Focus on creating valuable, engaging, and consistent content that your target audience will find interesting. Make sure your videos are well-produced, have good audio, and are visually appealing. 2. Keyword optimization. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them in your video titles, descriptions, tags, and captions. This will help your videos rank higher in search results and increase their discoverability. 3. Compelling thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your videos and encourage viewers to click on them. Use bold images, bright colors, and clear text to make them stand out. 4. Effective video promotion. Share your videos on various platforms such as social media, forums, and relevant communities. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. 5. Collaborations. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to create joint videos or shout-outs. This can expose your channel to their audience and help you gain new subscribers. 6. Cross-promotion. Utilize your other social media platforms to promote your YouTube channel. Share highlights and teasers of your videos too. Engage with your audience. Foster a sense of community by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging viewers to join the conversation. This will build loyalty and encourage viewers to come back for more. 8. Consistency and frequency. Post videos regularly and try to maintain a consistent schedule. This will train your audience to expect new content from you, keeping them engaged and more likely to subscribe. 9. Optimize channel page. Customize your channel layout, add channel keywords, and create compelling channel art. Use an engaging channel trailer to introduce new viewers to your content and give them a reason to subscribe. 10. Analytics. Monitor your YouTube analytics to understand which videos perform well, what type of content resonates with your audience, and which strategies are effective. Use this data to refine your content and promotional strategies accordingly. Remember, growing an audience on YouTube takes time and effort. While it may be challenging to achieve 1,000 subscribers and 40,000 watch hours in just 1 month, implementing these strategies consistently can help you progress towards your goal.